Welcome to JH. If you want to get Castle TV on your Android TV, follow this easy guide to set it up. Start by checking the Google Play Store on your device. Simply launch the store, search for Castle TV, and if the app appears, click Install. This is the most straightforward method. However, if the app isn't listed due to your location or device type, you must manually sideload the APK. First, permit installations from unidentified sources. Navigate to Settings, select Device Preferences, then Security and Restrictions, and choose Install Unknown Apps. Pick your preferred tool, like a file manager or the Send Files to TV app, and switch the permission on. Next, download the installer on your computer or smartphone. Visit the official website at castle.vip to get the latest Castle TV APK. After downloading, transfer the file to your Android TV using a USB drive or the Send Files to TV application, which works wirelessly across both your phone and television. On your TV, open your file manager, find the transferred APK, and launch it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, just as you would on a mobile device. Once finished, open Castle TV and create an account to begin a 5-day free trial. You can then enjoy a wide range of HD movies, series, and live broadcasts.